Facebook world. How are we doing? Cameron Stewart calling in here from Get Into Property Limited. Just a quick live video here, just showing you the first trade property for 2019. It's a bit of a dump out here in Massey, and it's got a lot of work that we need to get through. We've already done a fair bit of gardening work here. The lawns were very long initially, so let me just switch the camera around here and I'll just show you the property, and then you'll get a bit of an idea from start to finish. So it's a full site, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. All of the lawns were really long. We've already moved a heap of rubbish off site. As you can see, big site, subdividable 2-lot here. And as you can see, the house is well positioned at the front. We're not going to subdivide it because of the time frame, but it will be really good for the next purchaser. We've had a topo map and stuff done, so it's a great property. Bit of a slope to the site, but it was quite interesting under here. This was completely filled with rubbish. Like all of this area here was completely filled with rubbish. The boys have cleared a fair bit of it out already. Moved a lot of the stuff from underneath. As you can see, it's a bit of a cesspit down here at present. There was blocks down here, so it was filled with rubbish prior. And then you've got obviously under the house here was filled with rubbish as well. But the house itself solid. It's just been neglected obviously, and yeah, we just got a bit of a job on our hands here, so we're going to line under here and just make it into a bit of a workshop area. Obviously all this crap on the back will be pulled off and tidied up, because right now it's pretty untidy. So we're going to run a bit of a path down the side of the house here, concrete path. Those 2 windows here will get closed in. There'll be a path goes around to the back with a door going into the bottom there for storage. And obviously we've scaffolding and stuff to go up. So house has just been settled today, so you get a bit of the gist of this was just rubbish galore all along here. We've moved, multiple truckloads of rubbish off site, and all that stuff there still to go. So how you going, boys? So there you go. New roof going to be installed as well, so that will make a big difference. So anyway guys, that's the exterior of the property here in Massey. Watch the space, watch the transformation. Hopefully it inspires someone out there. Have a great day. Cameron Stewart signing out. See you next time. Facebook Live, Get Into Property page, Cameron Stewart calling in here. It's a beautiful day. Saturday up here in Auckland. Oh, it's a bit glare. I'll put those back on. Just out here at this place in Massey. I thought I'd just do a bit of a progress video. Things are well underway here. So I thought I'd just show you around. Obviously what we've done on the interior more so than the exterior at the moment. We haven't done a lot on the outside, but you'll get a bit of a feeling for how fast we can push these things along and tidy them up and make them into a new home. So bear with me, and I will spin this camera around. So we've got Sione here. We've got Emma and Angus here today. Angus has been on site, haven't you, Angus? So Sione's here water blasting at the moment. Obviously new fence all down the whole right hand side there. New decking here. So this is all brand new decking. There'll be a railing going around the outside of this. Obviously scaffolding's not quite completed, but there'll be all a whole new roof going on. We've put in a brand new ranch slider here, which is really tidied up. New front door. And if we can get into the inside, you'll see there's a big change in here so far. So we're obviously putting down lights throughout the whole place. All the tile board's gone down here. New kitchen area going in there. So it'll be kitchen sink along the left hand side here, oven and stovetop down at the end in the middle, fridge and other bench along the right hand side here. So that's looking back into the lounge area there now. And then we've got the laundry here, so we've adjusted this slightly. This is going to be where the new mains pressure cylinder goes, and where the existing cylinder is here, that's the existing low pressure cylinder. Well, that will be made into a storage cupboard, and then we'll have a half super tub here, and then obviously the washing machine. Obviously new door as well. The lighting's a bit bad, isn't it? So that will be the superheater cupboard there. Just looking back into the lounge. Obviously the bedrooms have all been re-jibbed, all insulated from the inside. So that's made a big difference. It's good to do a video now, because once the painting starts, you don't really see any of this. So as you can see, it's all been re-jibbed. So the rooms are looking a lot better. In this room here, same deal, all been re-jibbed and insulated. This is the only room that we haven't taken the jib off, so we didn't really need to. So the guys are here painting. So we've got, this is the ensuite here, shower there, toilet going there, vanity there, and then you've got obviously a cupboard there, and then you've got your master bathroom, master family bathroom here, toilet there, bath there, and vanity there. No point probably showing you much more on the outside, as not a lot's been done out there. I'll wait until we've sort of made some more headway on the exterior, new roof and bit of painting, etc., and that will make a big difference to the exterior. So we've got the digger coming here Monday to scrape down the site, and so we can put all the new concrete driveway in, etc. So you'll notice a big difference on the next video. Thought I'd just share this one. So this is the second video of the Massey Project 2019. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you next time. Cameron Stewart signing out. He's all guns blazing here. Scaffolding up, undercoat and prep done. Neighbours are building a new fence as well, which is good. So as you can see, new deck on the front here. Digger getting stuck into it. It's all gone. Facebook Live, how are we going? Cameron Stewart calling in, just out here in Massey, just doing a final video. If you go back through the feed on my page, there's 3 other videos, so just go back through. You'll see the first video of this particular project in Massey, and you'll see the big turnaround we've done in 6 weeks here. So just wanted to show you what's been done. So just let me share my camera around here and we'll go from there. And we've got someone over there sitting down. So here we've got new fencing at the front. So these boys are going to let me through the gate now. I'll go through this end. So they're just, so as you can see, the outlook of the property now is looking much greater. So we've got a new gate going on here. Obviously got iron getting put on here on Monday, just waiting for it to come. I'll walk around the outside first. So a bit of the garden here. This is all going to be lawn down here. We've obviously got a garden here. This is just doing final bits and pieces here now. Not quite finished the gardens, but you get the gist of it. So this particular property, you can build another house out the back here. We're not going to do that, as we just want to move on to the next thing. So you see it's all been painted. And if you go out here, so this has all been had grass seed thrown on it. So obviously all new fencing down the side there. A few touch-ups and stuff happening, but you'll get the feel. And obviously new windows gone in here. And we're just obviously getting painting finished and stuff like that there. So that's like a safety glass. So if someone mows the lawn, so we've got a red door here of all colours. And this is like a rumpus, more like a, you know, like a storage area, or you can use it as a rumpus or whatever you want. I see the stages have put their bits and pieces in here. So this actually, when we bought the property, there was a weed growing room over there, so that was good. You get some free product, and so we'll go back around here. Actually, I might go around this way. So as you can see, obviously a few touch-ups to go, but it's definitely a different property than what it was. So you've got a big deck here, and you've also got the access down the right hand side here, so you can build on the back. Sounds like they're having a bloody disco over the other fence here. So this goes into the lounge. So as I say, just a few bits and pieces getting done, but you get the feel of the change that's happened here. So down the hallway here, you've got bedroom 1. So all the bedrooms have cupboards. So clean, fresh, looks a lot better. Bit of a storage cupboard in here. Bedroom 2. And then bedroom 3. You've got a family bathroom here. The boys are just installing the toilet, but you've got a bath with a shower over here, toilet, vanity, mirror. And this is the master bedroom. Looking back towards the, and that's looking out to the backyard. And just doing the final fit off here. Toilet, shower, and down here you got your laundry. So Facebook world, that is the Massey project pretty much done, on the market, photos getting done. So just shows you what a bit of imagination can do. And yeah, turned a bit of a dump into a beautiful home. So hope you have enjoyed that progression, and have a fantastic day. And we'll see you next time. Cameron signing out.